back at least 50.
Yeah.
10 more years.
But I don't want to be so bad I gotta be putting nursing on me.
It's true. That's always the dilemma, right?
Yeah.
That's a
Well, you
bummer.
need to get you there, but
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to order 2 or 3 of the pocket ones. They go so quick.
that middle size that's in that pack is the bomb.
Yeah.
DC-10 or whatever.
Which one was it? We used the yours the other day. Was it the one like these?
These right here. Yeah.
Did you see the video?
I
It's
did.
the bomb.
I did. That's
Man, if you got some of them, you can throw this one in the garbage.
Them things are awesome. Awesome.
These right here are supposed to be bad too. They're in the Pliers now.
Oh yeah, the parent Jones.
Yeah. They're supposed to be some good Pliers.
What's the deal with this one having a red?
It's just the new.
You had to order that battery system, right?
Yeah. Of course you would pay for it to come in, and then you make payments on it.
I'm gonna some of this stuff take down a little bit.
Here's that light I was telling you about.
Oh yeah.
And it does have the bar that I was talking about.
Yeah.
Did some research on it. I've got some cool things ordered for us to show too. I've got an easy soldering tool coming in, and I've got a Texas twister coming in.
Man, that is a cool light.
1600 lumens.
Signature. That is cool right there. How much was that joker?
It's $220.
What's mine? So I guess it's waterproof with that camp thing like that.
I'd like to get one of those banners too that hang
Or
up
water resistant.
hang up over my those eventually.
Oh,
Rat
but-
thing.
Yeah. Oh, that air conditioner feels good.
yeah, water and dust resistant. All there, shut off.
Well, everybody likes the light.
It's a good light.
Didn't have that sticker on it, but near it's cool.
You're right.
And it does have magnetic base, right?
Yes. It has a hood bar that goes
It's got a
across
bar.
there.
You can go underneath the hood.
Oh, that's awesome.
I can't remember DC-10 or the 7 that I like. I know you was out of it last week.
The 10-inch are $60.
What's the PC-7? I got the 12s or the 10s. I got one of them too. I don't remember which one it was. I like them damn Pliers though, boy. They don't grab a hold of some stuff.
Everything in one has all your stuff in it. Pretty much everything you need for your brakes. So instead of running back and forth, it comes in a convenient case. That way you can just stay there at the car and get the job done.
Some kind of gauges.
Yeah, y'all probably don't use them as much as people in the car world, but that's what
I see.
it's basically quick gauge. That way, you know, if they use them, they're really great. I have seen in a lot of places they just kind of eye it in there and say, that's what it is. But yeah,
If you got a customer that's asking
yeah,
how much is left on them, you can give them an exact amount.
exact amount, pretty quick way to go.
That's a pretty cool set.
Yeah, comes with everything that you need in it. Stuff for the back brakes as well. That's really cool.
And I hate back brakes on a car or pickup.
Yeah, I like that set. It's a good set.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It is pretty neat. Instead of leaving all that weight hanging on your ignition.
Yes.
Yep.
That's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to get one now. There's an airline disconnect sets. You know, I got that one for quarters.
Didn't you find out on the truck or something?
B50
Sure did. Lucky me.
I don't have one on the truck, man. I can order it. Okay. I'll get one ordered and it should be next week. I'll give you a call.
Those air hammer bits, they lifetime warranty.
Yes. Let me verify that, but the ones that I've sold have been. Let me make sure these are.
Look at the knees pop. Just grease.
Yes, they are. So that's got our newer drill bits on there, as you can see. It's got the unique design on the end. That way you ain't gotta have a center drill or pilot hole needed. Actually got a set of those ordered, so we're gonna look at those and see how they are.
They lifetime warranties.
Up to or down to a certain size. I think a 1/4 inch down is not, but up from that it is.
That's pretty neat looking how they did the tips on there.
Yeah, got the tips done on them. And then,
Almost made it like a step bit.
yep.
I love step bits.
And then they got their lifetime warranty hex grip removers there for damaged lug nuts, bolts, and stuff like that. Up to 90% rounded and it'll get it off.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. And you then when I took the transmission out, full transmission.
What I think about them is they're cool that they're impact, because most of the time when there's that style they're not impact. They'll tell you not for impact. It actually says they're impact safe, so I like that feature on those. And then of course we got our other stuff here, the technician's top picks and stuff like that. That's kind of like the ones we showed on one of our videos that we had. And then on this side it's just got your bearing press pull kits and stuff like that. So I'm
drill
kind
bits are nice.
yeah, I've actually got 2 sets ordered, one for me and one for a customer. I'm kind of ready to see them in person.
On the 10 or the 12?
Except for 12.
I like it, little pocket. Don't charge me for that now. You need one of them, Bill.
Yeah, I know it.
That thing's fine right there.
That 130 for them.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this thing up and get Michael paid, and we'll show you what we got. Alright guys, y'all seen Michael had some good stuff on the truck today. The brake kit he showed was pretty awesome. So let me run through and show you guys what we picked up today, and we gotta get back to work. We are slaying this shop today. So anyway, the first thing, Wild Bill, he picked this up as the 5-piece extra long punch and chisel set with a holder. That part number is SLP-C5. So that thing's pretty cool. And keep Bill from smashing on his fingers. Let's see if I can get over here and show you guys kind of how this thing works. Alright, as you can see here, it's got a little button that you push and the chisels lock into this, and it's got a striking cap on the end and a cool little carrying case so Bill can keep up with all this stuff. So that'll be good. No lost punches and chisels for Bill, so he'll be happy to keep up with his stuff. And I've got the 12-inch version of these, and I love them. They're Knipex. You can't hardly beat Knipex, so I picked up the 10-inch version, and this part number is PC10. These things are awesome. They're Cobras. If you guys haven't checked out Knipex Cobras, then you better go check out Knipex Cobras. But the cool thing about them, the way they adjust, you push this button in, and they slide up and down. They lock together real good. Let me get over here and I'll show them to you. And that's how they work. You can see all those little fine teeth in there. and you mash the button in, and they slide and lock into any position that you want them to. Really good teeth in here, as you can see. These things are awesome. The last thing that I picked up is one of those little key rings that I was showing you guys. This would be great. Leave the truck running, whatever. You don't have all the weight of all your keys dangling from your ignition, which has got to help things in the long run, because I got a lot of keys and it's definitely great for a ignition, I'm sure. So anyway, this is going to help things out a little bit and be able to maybe take a little weight off or something. Let me show you how these work, because this is pretty cool. All right, the way this thing works is kind of like a air chuck. You pull it back here and it comes apart, and then done. So awesome. All right, guys, that's what we got today off of Matco Michael. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below. Just hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you not one single dime. That way you can get the newest, freshest most freshest content that we have to offer you guys. Anyway, you have a great one. We'll catch y'all next time. Hey, Bill. What's the best part about working on reefers?
You got air conditioning.
Got air conditioning.
17 degrees in here.
17 degrees right now. Air blowing. Don't it feel good to y'all guys?
Man, that feels awesome.
Woo! It feels great. Awesome.